This video going to show you how to save for web, which means that you can export it, you can post in the social media platform like the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, so after you done your artwork in Illustrator, you want to post on social media. First of all, what you need to do, you need to go to File, Save for Web. Okay, after that, you will pop up this Save for Web dialog, and then I'm using the tool up here. On left is the original image, which means your original design in Illustrator, and you can preview the original file size is about 1.91 megabyte. Okay, so on your right hand side, this one will be the quality that you want to export. Let's say I'm today using the JPEG, which means I have a white color background. And then the quality I want to export, it can be low or to maximum. If maximum, the quality is almost the same as the original. Let's say if you pick low, then the quality is bad. So I just export with maximum. After that, press save. Then select the location you want to save, like the logo. Press save. After you save, then you can go to your destination to check with it. So this is the logo that I'm saving using the .jpg. Okay, so but you say I want this logo to have a transparent background, then which format you should use? You should use .png. So we try to do again. File, Save for Web. Okay, under the name here, you see there's a JPEG. You just click the button to pick PNG 24. So when you see the checkerboard, it represents after you export, there is no background for this picture. And then the size of this picture is about 19.81 kilobyte. So after you confirm, then just press on save. Okay, maybe this is a logo, transparent. Press save. After you save, then you can go back to your desktop to check with it. So now we got a .jpg and also the .png. So when you open it, you can see the gray color, which is the transparent background. So let's say you want to save for the printing, and the printing supplier require a bleed margin here. So if you want to print in a full background color, which is just an example. Okay, I just created a background for this logo. Maybe it's a black color. And then your rectangle must touch with the bleed margin you set. And then let's say it's coloring, then right click, arrange, send to back. After that, you want to save for supplier, and then your supplier required a PDF file. So how you're going to save? File, Save As. Then from here, you need to make sure you pick Adobe PDF, and then you may change the name. Maybe this is logo for supplier. Press save. It will pop up the Save Adobe PDF dialog. Click on the marks and bleed, check on the all printer marks, click on Save PDF. After that, it will show you this is the PDF file I saved. So we can see this kind of crop mark, which is the cutting machine will cut based on this crop mark. It can go to slightly left or right, but you're still able to print the full color background. If you didn't in touch with the bleed margin, most of the supplier will reject your project and ask you to get a bleed margin for them. So this is very important. And then the next thing is, let's say your supplier required a Illustrator file. And then in my logo here, I got a text. So before you send to printing, you must create all your text in your file into outline. So right click on your text, create outline. After that, you want to save for supplier in the Illustrator folder. File, Save As. Okay, this time you choose as Illustrator and then logo for Supplier, Save. Then just press on OK to exit. After you're done, then your project is ready to print. Thank you for watching.